everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these graduation cake toppers. Now these are actually part of a set, and in my next video I'll show you how to make the other three. Okay, so we're going to start with the graduation cap. Okay, so we start by taking about 10 grams of black modelling paste and forming it into an egg shape. I'm then pressing down on it to make sure the bottom is flat, and then also going to just flatten the top slightly. So now I'm just checking that my square cutter is the right size for the board. If you don't have one, you could just cut one out freehand. So I've rolled out some modelling paste to about 3 to 4 millimeters thick, and now I'm just going to cut out my square, just ensuring I've got some smooth edges. There we go. And I'm just going to check again that it's an okay size. Just smooth any edges if you've got any rough edges, and then leave them to dry. So once they are set, I just use a little bit of black modelling paste and some clear alcohol to stick the board onto the top of the hat, ensuring the point is at the front. To make the tassel, I formed a small piece of yellow modelling paste into a tadpole shape, and then just flattened the larger end and used the knife end of a knife and scriber tool just to mark some tassels on. You can't really see it that clearly here, but I'm just marking some texture to the end of the tassel. And then I'm just going to use some clear alcohol to stick it onto the hat and then fold it down the side. And finally I'm just going to add a small ball of black modelling paste on the top. And that's your cap made. Okay, so to begin with here, I've rolled out some black modelling paste and cut out a rectangle about 5.5 by 4 centimeters. Next I'm using a circle cutter to cut out the curve at the bottom, and then a knife just to slowly go inwards to cut out the sides of the gown and the arms. I do this gradually so I can make sure that the arms are the same size. Just taking off little bits either side until I'm happy. Okay, so now I'm going to use the wider end of a piping tip just to cut out the neck part of the gown. So now I'm going to make the stole by cutting out a strip of yellow modelling paste. You can choose any colour that you like. And then I'm just going to cut this in half. I'm just cleaning the edges with a clean brush. And then I'm just going to cut a point out at both ends of the strips. I'm just going to check them for size, and then just trim the edges to make it easier to stick them on. I'm using clear alcohol again just to stick them onto the gown. And then I'm just going to use that piping tip again just to cut, to make a nice clean cut at the top. And there you go. That's your gown made. Keep an eye out for my next tutorial where I show you how to make the book, scroll and rosette. I really hope that you like these tutorials. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more, and please hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.